Dave Stovlin here. We're working on geometric sequences, and this particular topic is the geometric mean. Now let's look at this sequence. It looks like we're multiplying times 2, so that's the common ratio, so this is a geometric sequence. And if we were to continue this on, we'd have 160 and 320 and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's talk about what would happen if you knew that you had a geometric sequence, but you only had 2 of the terms and you didn't have the middle term. Well, how could you figure that out? Well, you might be inclined to do 20 plus 5 is 25, divided by 2 is 12 and a half. But that's really not a geometric mean, that is an arithmetic mean. What we need to do is figure out what number we're multiplying by to get to here, and then what number, again, we're multiplying by to get there. And it turns out there's an easy way to do that. What we do is we do 5 times 20 and we take the square root. So that would be 5 times 20 is 100, and you take the square root, that's 10. And in fact, that is the correct number to go in there. And so the geometric mean is defined as the square root of the 2 numbers of the 2 terms multiplied together. Okay? So let's put this in some mathy language here. If we have the 5 and the blank and the 20, we want to figure out what this term is, an. Well, this next term is going to be an plus 1, and the previous term is going to be an minus 1. And so to get an, which is the geometric mean, we are going to do the following. An equals the square root of an minus 1 times an plus 1. And that is the geometric mean. Okay, so let's do a little example. Let's say that we know that we have a geometric sequence, we're told this, and we know that we have 4, blank, and 16. And so how are we going to find that? Well, if this is the an value, the geometric mean says we're going to do the square root of 4 times 16. And if you do that on your calculator, you will find that that's the square root of 64, which is 8. And so that term is 8. And what must be our multiplier, or our common ratio? Looks like it's times 2. Okay, that's geometric mean.